Oh my God, you guys, you caught me. You did. It's 7 o'clock on a Monday night and I'm still working. But you know what? Mondays are not just for the hustle. They're for the reset too. And guess what just came in? My reset. Okay, so I'm gonna go get changed and I'll meet you in the bathroom. All right, guys, I am back. And you might be like, Anna, what is Matter Monday? Matter Monday is a wonderful skincare line. And if you know anything about me, one thing I believe dearly upon is taking care of your skin, because your skin is going to last you through your whole entire life. I mean, there's other things that's going to as well, but this is how we're going to do it, folks. We're going to take the not the moisturizing, but the exfoliating cleanser, and I love a good exfoliator. I love a good exfoliator. We're gonna take that. Ooh, look how nice this. Ooh. It feels amazing. I can feel it. Oh my goodness, it feels amazing. I think I'm in love. Wow, that feels so good. You know how you have like a basic cleanser for your face and you're just like, okay, I think it's done. But this, no. All right, so now we're gonna try the anti-blue light brightening serum. I love me a hyaluronic acid. I love it. I used to take it in the pill form as well. Oh, this bottle's so cute. Look at the bottle. Look at it. It's so cute. Look. And now we have anti-fatigue restorative eye cream, which that's one of my two main issues is, well, I'm just going to tell you one of them, and it's my eyes. Look at it. How cute. I'm always a little careful about putting under my eyes. My mom taught me this a very long time ago, to be super gentle and to always go up, just like that. Ooh. Baby, now we got the moisturizer, anti-stress. Do you know what my title is? I am the editor-in-chief of Mind Bounded Life, a magazine. If you go in a dictionary, it will say to stress out about editing a whole entire magazine. So anything that says anti-stress, are you always gonna get me with these? You're always gonna get me with this. I don't care. Like how cute. It feels good. It feels great. It feels so nice and lightweight. This is amazing. Amazing. Hi, my name's Anna Lefebvre. I'm the editor-in-chief of Mind Bounded Life, and I'm here with a Matter of Monday.